How to change city in Uber driver app. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Uber driver app on your device. Click on help at the top right corner of your screen. After you click on help at the top right corner of your screen, here you'll find get help in person. Click on get help in person. It will lead you to this page. Here in the search bar at the top, simply search as shown on the screen, which is change driving in new city or driving in new city, and click on drive in a new city. After you click on it, here scroll down and at the bottom you will find an option. Here you can simply type in city you want to drive in. And then, is this a permanent change? If yes, turn it on. And is there anything else we should know? Type in if you want. If not, press on submit. Uber will get back to you within some days and change your city. This is how to change city in Uber driver app. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.